Hey YouTube, I'm here to show you on my disassembly video of my Dell keyboard here. I'm gonna take it apart and clean it out, clean out all the insides. Here's the parts information. Here's information about the keyboard. There's that. Here's information about the keyboard. So, to start, I took this thing apart before. I ordered it off eBay. So I'm gonna undo these screws right here. I'm gonna undo these screws right here. Let's turn on some light so you have some better viewing angles. So better view. So we're gonna focus in on that. Okay, so we're gonna all these tiny little screws. So yeah. Please put them in a secure location. I'm gonna put you guys right here. I'm gonna show you the disassembly video of this keyboard. So yeah. Okay. Note, all your screws should be of the same size. Some may be longer, some may be shorter. Just keep track of them. Hang on, two those. Okay, there we go. So, yeah. Okay. I normally don't keep track of these things, but yeah, today I will because this is my good keyboard. I don't have another one. I have an Apple one, but it's kind of crappy. But I use a Dell one because I like Dell. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all this shit. And yeah, she just brought my food. Thank you so much. Yep. Okay. So yeah, so we're gonna remove all these little screws. Yeah, she's kind of a camera shy kind of person. She doesn't want anybody to see her buck teeth. I already did. Guys, if you want to see my face, go to my other channel. www.youtube.com/DragonBoy98. I mean, not Dragon Boy, but BK9838. You'll see my face on YouTube. So, yeah. And also, many of you know my boyfriend, many of you don't. But I love him so much. Okay, so, yeah, so we're gonna gently... Okay, actually, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna place you guys down right here. Actually, I'm gonna place you guys down right here, where you can see the keyboard, partially see the keyboard. Okay, that didn't work good, so I'm gonna use the screwdriver to partially hold it up. Hold the screwdriver to hold it up, so yeah. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just gonna lift up these little tabs here. I'm gonna lift it up. Okay. Just to make sure we didn't miss any of the screws. Okay, yeah, I think we missed one. Hang on, guys. Yeah, I think we missed one. Let's remove this little plate right here. So it's underneath there. I think there's a screw behind this little rubber plate here. And then this little rubber thing right here. Just going to gently peel that back. Yeah, there was rubber things. Hang on. When my screwdriver I bought at Home Depot, it just does that. Switch out the heads and stuff on it. You can switch out the heads and stuff. So yeah. So let's kind of wedge that in there. That's kind of dumb design, but yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we missed a screw. Save that little rubber bit. You don't want to lose it. Gonna switch your bits, put them back in their original position the way they were, to kind of make sure they look factory put in. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we just remove that one last screw. Okay, so now we can assembly, the keyboard assembly, and you're going to be seeing that for a while. Okay, now this was relatively shorter. Okay, tubers, it's out and it's open. Yeah, here's the entire keyboard touch assembly. It's a very nice assembly. All the stuff is there and all that stuff. Yeah, all that stuff. Yeah. So this screw is relatively a little shorter, I think, but yeah. Here's the rubber mesh that goes over it, and it is quite dirty. It is very dirty. So we're gonna clean it off. We're gonna grab the can of air and clean it all off. We're gonna clean off everything. But let's grab our can of O2, canned airs. Yep. I'm gonna clean off everything from the keyboard. So clean off everything from the keyboard. Let's put this thing down flat, and then gonna apply some pressure while we clean it off. Once you get that clean, you wanna clean off your touchpad, your computer pad, clean off the circuit board, wash all the ants out of it. Okay, so now we're gonna clean the keyboard. Okay, good shaking, make sure everything's out. Now you want to clean this pad right here. And there's a lot of dust in it. Yeah, okay, once you're done, put that away. Okay, now then, take your clean keyboard backing. I'm gonna put its little jacket, or the jacket. I call it the jacket. Put its little jacket back on. I'm gonna call it the jacket. Or if you guys know what it's called, please let me know. That would be kind of helpful. But for now, I'm just gonna call it the little key jacket. Key jacket. I'm just gonna call it that for now. The little key jacket. So yeah. So now you want to take your front piece and put it back on the jacket. Put it back on the jacket. Put it back on the little put it back into its little slot where it slots in. Okay, and then you want to press it back together. Make sure everything fits back into place. Lovely. Make sure everything kind of clicks back well. Okay. So now you're going to take your little relatively small hidden screw and put it back into place. Okay, now then you're going to screw that into place right here. Okay, so you're going to take your little boot, put your rubber boot back in there, put the rubber boot in there, then just drop your screws into place. Just drop your screws into place, and yeah, and then just screw it back together. Just put everything back into place. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything back in place, and please do not complain about my nails. I know I have to cut them. I will be cutting them very shortly. Right after I do this video, I will cut my nails. Okay, so we're gonna slot all the screws back in their proper slots. Okay, gonna slot all the screws back into their proper screw slots. Okay, let's put all the screws back in their proper little slots where they're screwed in. Where they screw in. Okay, now tighten each one. I'm gonna start at the two corners. I'm gonna start at the edges. Then once you get these screwed down, you can snug them. Get all these firmly tight. are fairly tight. Just a little nudge tight. Then you can snug them in. Snug them nice and tight. Damn it. Okay. You don't want them too tight, though, when you tighten them. Okay. Okay. Okay, now tighten the screws as to your desires. Okay, some of these on this keyboard are a little strippy, but don't over tighten them. Okay. 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 Make sure your buttons kind of click. Yep. Thank you for watching. This has been a disassembly video of this keyboard. Thank you so much.